Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. This is my 5th chapter on my YouTube, and this is the last topic of my YouTube. I'm really appreciate to watching my YouTube channel on every week. In chapter 5, I'm going to explain big data in marketing. Firstly, I'm going to explain the definition of the big data and how we are going to use the big data in the business area in the modern society. The data storage has been going on since information began being gathered. Information collection started on stone in the earliest day, then paper file, and now in the online cloud. What has changed from those earlier days is how fast the information is coming and what can be done with the information. There is an array of use for large data such as government accounting, education and research, and business analysis. Now, big data is basically an information set so large that traditional method for analyzing it is not possible. Do you remember a time in school when a lot of information was thrown at you or at once? And it was so much, so fast, that you could not remember any of it. That is a little bit like how big data works. A lot of different data coming at you or at once. Special softwares needed to break it down. With that in mind, let's at the different factor of the big data. The big data is often characterized by three V's. The first, the external volume of data. Second, the wide variety of data type. And lastly, the velocity at which the data must be processed. Although big data doesn't equate to any specific volume of the data, the term is often used to describe terabyte, petabyte, even exabyte of data captured over time. Let's consider the use for big data. The advantage of capturing large amount of different data streaming through the global network is to be able to analyze and use the data to your advantage. Otherwise, the information stays stored and unused. Typically, analyzing involved looking for pattern in human or customer interaction and behavior. If you are in business and you need to know how sales are doing in retail chain store or national level, you can cast a big net and gather information in real time. The information received from that big data can be analyzed to give feedback on price margin, loss gain, and inventory. This information can help you make a decision about change to be made or to better take advantage of gain in the marketplace. Have you noticed that products often have barcode tag on them? Those tags are form of big data. They are used to tag sales, order more product, and provide the swift prevention in real time. It can be seen those pictures. Mobile phone add to the contribution of big data. One group used the big data from cell phones to track the spread of the malaria in Kenya and use the information to better treat hotspots for the disease. Another group tracked the cell phone in Haiti just after the earthquake in 2010, studying where the victim went and when to be used as a guide in modeling future disaster scenario and predictor. On next video, I'm going to explain how marketers use the big data in the modern society. Thank you. See you next video.